Hello, guys, and welcome again to another edition of Learning with Rich. Okay, so in this topic, I'm going to give you a tip or trick on how to display elements that is beyond. Okay, so let's say, for example, you have an element. Okay, one part of that element is actually beyond another element. Okay, so it's being covered by one element. Okay, so the tool that we are going to use here, or the button that we are going to use in this trick. Okay, so this is the my tip and tricks video. Okay, we are going to use here show hidden lines. So let's go ahead and start. So I'm gonna go ahead and select here the south. So this is how it works. So as you can see, if I'm going to select, let's say this element here, I'm going to select the topo here, this topo surface. As you can see, my topo surface here, okay, this topo surface is covering this part of the wall. You see this wall here, this line, okay. So if I click outside, okay, that particular line which belongs to this wall is actually uh, being covered by this topo surface. Okay, so basically what we want to do is we want to show that particular foundation wall. You see, there's a foundation wall here. Okay, not this one, but there's a foundation wall. Okay, so it's kind of difficult for me to select, but there's a foundation wall here. If you click the topography, so see there's a foundation wall. So basically what we want to do, we want to show that foundation wall, okay, as a dash line. Okay, so that is what we're going to do. Okay, so aside from that, if I'm going to click here, show crop region. Okay, so I'm going to click that and then I'll just adjust this one. Just enough for me to be able to see the rest of the topography. And then after that, I'm going to hide this one. Okay, so usually what we do is, if we want to see the elements behind the topography, so usually we select that, and then after that, we hide it, right? Okay, or let's say this one. Oh, sorry. Okay, so I select this, right click, I'm going to hide it. So this is actually the one that we want to show. Okay, this foundation wall and then this foundation wall here. So this is the one that we want to show. Okay. Oh, by the way, we do have here two topography. The one that we just hide and then this topography here. Okay. So as you can see, this topography is actually hiding part of my foundation wall. So what I'm going to do is, okay, so I'm going to use that tool that I'm talking about earlier, which is show hidden lines. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to change your visual style to wireframe. Okay, so if you select the wireframe, you can see now the outline of your foundation wall. Not only the foundation wall, but all the elements in your model. So basically what we want to do is, I'm going to select the view tab and I'm going to select show hidden lines. So I click that one. And then after that, you need to select the topography, which is this. Okay. And then you select now the one that you want to show, this one. And then select again, and then this one. Okay, and I'm going to do that also to the other side. So I'm going to select this. Okay, if you read here, select element to show hidden lines through. Lines from obscure elements will show through this element. So I'm going to select this, click, and then you read again. Okay, select elements that will show hidden lines. So I want this element to show in hidden line, click. Okay, and then I'm going to click again the topography, and then I'm going to select this portion. So as you can see, we have another topography here, which is this one. I click that, and then I'm going to select this. Okay, all right, so select the topography, and then I select this, select the topography, and then you select this. Okay, select the topography here, and then select this one. And then you just select modify. Now, if you are going to change it back to hidden line, as you can see, it's now showing, right? So basically, that's how you use the show hidden lines by element. So it displays hidden lines for individual model elements and detail elements that are obscured by other elements in the current view. So another use of that, so if I'm going to open my panel elevation, okay, this one. So as you can see, there are instances when we place our let's say for example panel like this, you see, if I hover my pointer, you see this particular element, there is actually another portion here, somewhere here, right? You see, if I click that, you see there's a portion here that is being obscured by this panel. So basically, you can also use this tool. So I'm going to select show hidden lines, okay, and then I'm going to select this. Then after that, I'm going to click this. There you go. And then I select modify. So by doing that, you're also doing relationship between the two selected element. As you can see, if I'm going to click this and then I'm going to drag it somewhere here, you will notice it's automatically adjust also. So they do already have a relationship. Now, if you want to remove the relationship between these two elements, so you can actually select remove hidden lines. So you click that, you select this and then this one. As you can see, no more relationship. All right. So show hidden lines. I click this one, and then I click this one. There you go. Right. So another use of this, you can also do that in your detail view. So like for example, this one. Okay. All right. You see, this one is being obscured by this particular detail item. So again, what you can do is you can select show hidden lines. You select this, and then you select this one. There you go. And then modify, right? And then you can click this if you want, then you can move. Again, they are already have a relationship. Okay? So basically, that's how you use this show hidden lines and remove hidden lines. So this is a very nice tool that you can use to hide or show some hidden lines that is being obscured by another element. So this is our tick and tricks for this session. All right. So hope you learned something from this video. And once again, thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day.